Okay, we're trying to demonstrate the problem we have with the elevator circuit on the Bristol Scout. The thing is that these top elevator cables here run through fair leads down here as shown on the drawing, but when we move the stick from side to side, you can see that the turnbuckles, which are also shown on the drawing, don't rotate, and so we get an angular mismatch here, which is clearly unacceptable. Like that. In pitch, there's no particular problem. That seems to work okay. But that's definitely something we're going to look at. A later modification was that instead of having the two fair leads down here, it was replaced by a roller, which would allow the cable to move from side to side as the stick is moved across, and we think that might be a little bit more sensible. The other problem we've got is on the lower cables, which in this case are represented by string down here, and when you come a little bit further aft, it's not very easy to see here, but they are currently just about contacting the diagonal bracing here, and certainly when you start to move the stick across, they come really quite heavily into contact with those diagonal cables. The other thing that is also a problem here, and will be worse if we adopt the rollers, is that the upper and lower cables are in quite close contact down here, or quite near to each other down here when the stick is central, but as I move the stick across, you can see that they come again into close contact with each other, and that actually will be made worse by the use of the roller. One other thing that we might need to concern ourselves with is that depends slightly how far you move the stick across, but no, I think actually that's okay. That's all right.